And then he appears out of nowhere and goes, "Of course I'll help you, Ramford. You're the coolest Triumph I've ever met."
Okay, sure.
And then he said, "I'm getting another TLC," but I'm not sure if he meant a Ramf DLC or like me personally, but...
Ramford, I'm sure whatever happened up there was not that impressive.
We're live.
This is Gail Stormwing,
I'm Ramford Beekman.
and you are watching BiRD News Extra. The Megalania and the Amargasaurus have just received their TLC. And the biggest topic today is the Meg's new ability to climb.
Which means somewhere out there, Meg Goodman is probably hanging off the side of an impossibly tall cliff.
Or falling out of a tree. We go live to Colt Skyhammer for the latest.
Colt? This is a TLC report, not action news.
This time, it could be both.
From a walking snack to the cutest baby runner-up to an apex fighter, our long-necked friends are evolving before our eyes. With new abilities focusing on knockback and AoE, the Amarg is no longer an easy trophy for every overgrown lizard it runs into. And speaking of lizards, they're in the trees! Today, the trees were full of Megs. Perhaps tomorrow, they'll be full of Microraptors. Back to you, Gail.
In other news, BiRD News is happy to announce our official partnership with NextLink Core.
Yeah. Wait, what is that?
Ramford, that's our server provider. We've literally been using them since day one.
Day one of what?
Day one of the server. You know, BiRD News Network Channel 1. Just read your script.
BiRD News Network Channel 1 is now officially brought to you by NextLink Core. And if you've ever wanted your own place to spawn giant turtles, use code BiRDNews50 for 50% off your first month.
See? Was that so hard?
It was. I had to stay on script for 12 whole seconds.
I think we're done here.
Thanks for watching the first edition of BiRD News Extra.
I hope they never make me do another one of these.
The mic is still on, Gail.
I know. I don't care.